Hi everyone. This video will show you how to set partial scores for fill-in text entries and fill-in blanks questions. Look at this example. By default, learners can get points when they fill all text entries correctly. If they make a mistake with only one text entry, they will get no point. This may frustrate learners. In this case, you should set partial scores for it. By this way, they can get points for correct text entries. To do that, firstly, enable this feature. Select the question area. Navigate to the Interactivity tab of the Properties pane. Score and Reporting section. Select Partial from the Points drop-down list. Then, set scores for each text entry object. For example, set 2 points for each of them. Let's see the preview. As can be seen, I could not answer the whole question correctly. However, I still got 10 points for 5 correct text entries. Setting partial scores for fill-in blanks questions shares similarities to those of fill-in text entries questions. Do the same steps as above to get it done. Thanks for watching.